OneKey Wallet Mobile Sync, how to pair extension to OneKey Wallet app. Now, if you are trying to pair an extension to OneKey Wallet app, one thing that I will clarify you is that the OneKey app browser extension and mobile app do not natively sync or pair directly with each other as a paired secondary interface. Instead, both operate independently as separate self-custody interfaces that connect to the same underlying blockchain accounts or via a shared hardware wallet. However, if in your case you mean that you want to access the same wallet on both the devices, you have two options. One is you can import the seed phrase. So on the mobile app, you can choose import wallet and securely input your recovery phrase. On the browser extension on desktop, you can select import and enter that exact same recovery phrase. Or using a hardware wallet means you can connect your physical OneKey hardware device to your mobile app via Bluetooth, or connect the same physical hardware device to your computer via USB cable or extensions. And this way you can be able to pair extension to OneKey Wallet app. I hope the video helped you out. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.